Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Candlebox's 1993 Far Behind. I'm going to break down each of the verses for you and the chorus. Alright, let's get into it. So what he's doing, he's playing the 10th fret of the A, then the 10th fret of the B, back to the 10th fret of the A. Then he slides from the 10th fret of the B up to the 12th fret of the B. Back to the 10th fret of the A, back to the 10th fret of the B. Then he plays the open E. Then he plays the 8th fret of the B string and 7th fret of the E. Pick that twice. Then he plays the 7th fret of the B and the 5th fret of the high E. You pick that twice. So it sounds like this. One more time. Those two together. One more time, slow. Then he plays the open D string, make a D chord, and then play the E, B, and G strings. Then he goes to the open A, 2nd fret A string, and then 3rd fret on the A string. Then he plays the 2nd fret of the D string, open G, and 3rd fret on the B. Then he plays the high E string and 3rd fret of the B. Then go back to the high E, to the 3rd fret again on the B, to the open G. From the open D, sounds like this. Getting value out of this lesson? Make sure to like and subscribe. Now I'll put all that together for you slowly. One more time. Okay, then do that again. Then now on the second time, he just strums that C add 9 chord one time. Then what he does, he plays the 3rd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D string, and open G. Then he goes to the 2nd fret of the A, to the open D, to the open G. So it sounds like this. So he does that 5 times, and then he does that C add 9, strum it once. If you're enjoying this kind of content, I'll put another video up there that you can watch. Then he goes into the chorus, and then count to 4, and then come in. Let that ring out for 4, and then back to the beginning. Okay, so what he's doing in the chorus, he's playing the G chord, 4 count, then open low E, then power chord, E power chord on the 7th fret of the A and 9th fret of the D. Then hit the D, go down 2 frets. Palm mute it, and then open, 4 counts, and then to the C for 4 counts, and then B for 1, and then back to the G. And I'll see you in the next one.